Thank you. To board now.
Good afternoon and welcome to Guam, where the local time is approximately 3:24 in the afternoon. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use the
Hello guys, welcome to Guam. We're here half a day. Bobby! Hello! Look at that sign. I love Guam. Hey, baby! Look at that sign. I love Guam. Where's the hotel here? Pyramid.
People say that's a hit or miss. Is that like how they're feeling in the day?
Yeah, I love it.
You go to the restaurant one day, you're like, oh, this is
This is the
good.
best. Yeah.
And then the next time you go there, you're like,
Whoa.
that's a different cook.
Yeah,
What
you,
happened?
you get the fucked up cook.
Yeah, right. Or like too salty. Like, what the? Yeah, it's a hit or miss.
That's donkey?
Yes, it is.
Oh, Don Quixote.
That's why there's a lot of
Don
cars.
Quixote. Wow.
You guys like tacos?
Yeah.
So ITC building, that big building right there. You just take a left and then you take a right and you go all the way down, and then to the right hand side, it's called Manha Pika. They got some good tacos there.
Manhub Pika.
Yeah, Monha Pico.
How about that roasted pig, the whole pig?
Roasted pig? Nah, that's actually like when you have a family gathering.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard to find out like on the restaurants. I don't think they do that.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I remember there's like a famous Filipino restaurant in here too, right?
Over here, yeah. It's called Poland. It's there.
Turo Turo. There you
Oh, is
go.
it that
I
one?
saw it. Turo Turo. Kebab. See?
Yeah, so this is our location.
Oh, it's near. Curry kebab.
And then also this place is
Nice.
pretty good to eat.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like ghetto though. But yeah, it's good.
Lynn's
Hey, no, man,
restaurant. What is it? A Filipino?
They said Vietnamese,
Vietnamese? Okay.
something like that. It's good though. Really good.
Okay, we're here.
Let's see this spot.
There we go. Let's go. Be careful. Watch your lane.
Remind me. No, she's good. You good, babe?
Yeah.
So I feel like it was moving earlier. It's letting go.
Okay, let's go.
Turn right.
I need to wear a seatbelt, I think.
Yeah, you need to. I wouldn't trust me.
Okay, Tumon. What's good, Tumon?
What's good?
It says we only have an hour left until sunset.
Ooh.
I mean, even in Japan,
Hour 15, fucking, or hour 20, basically.
actually in Japan it's already sunset.
Maximart.
Yeah, true. No, 100%.
Beachway.
It's just crazy because it's like that was the thing I remember being like coming in here is like where like you see the other person's light as well as your own light. And I'm like, oh shit, let's see the grain. And then watching fucking
Jamaican Grill.
I'm down to
Royal Orchid.
yeah, because this is like the other street, which is the strip street.
This is a strip.
I think so. I think it turns into a strip.
Are the
Again,
Pakas? Hotel lobby drop off. Right? Okay. My bad. And then I left.
Whoa, guys, we got upgraded to the ocean view and a king bed. Wow. Wow. Nice, babe. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Guam. Wow. Hello. This is our view. Wow. Hello. Wow. I want to go to the beach, baby. Okay. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Wow. Maamoy mo guys, sobrang bango. Sobrang bango dito. We have this huge TV. And this full-size mirror. And the bathroom. There you go. Bathroom. It's really nice. We got upgraded to Premier King. I think this is Premier King. I'll have to check. Hello, babe. This lamp is so cute. Nice. This is what we will use when we want to go swimming. Like a pass.
Natanggal.
How?
Wala lang, pinilit ko lang.
Kina-stock lang. We're gonna eat lunch. Okay. It's time check is 5:40. Change. 5:40. Alright, see you guys later.
Oh!
Don Quixote. Village of Donkey. Donkey. Don Quixote.
Oh, right there.
That was the biggest.
That's a big Skechers store.
Yeah, right.
But that's what they said. They said if you feel like you fail.
That's horseshit.
Lucky Latte Bingo. Ooh.
I mean, I haven't scored any lower than like a
Century
55 or 56 or
Plaza.
something like that on any of them.
Kaunta.
But this one is probably the
Filipino
most that I've
restaurant.
guesstimated. It was so bad. I'm like,
Hote.
You know,
Man.
like
the battery lap. You understand? We don't do the battery lap the way the battery lap.
We have CC.
Come on.
that is the only thing I like. Like
Lumpia.
they cut the pepper open, they
Yeah.
put the meat and cheese.
And then they wrap the whole thing.
Like chili con carne. Is that? Chili con carne. Yeah, that's the seafood. Oh, mix it again. I'll just
Like a, because you've got the gelatin, the beans, the different things. Yeah. 100%. Dude,
We call it halo halo.